The first step is to create a new empty job file. Click on the New button in the toolbar or select New from the File menu to create a new empty job file. The next step is to select an input file. Click on the Browse button to choose an input file. Browse to the folder where PostCoder Batch is installed and select the Examples folder. Select the Input folder. The contents of the Files of Type combo box list shows all the input file types supported by PostCoder Batch. The Input folder has several example input files of different file types, such as Microsoft Excel, for example. For this demo, select the file type CSV files. Select the input file example2.csv. As the input file example2.csv has already been used by one of the example job files, a text file format, which defines the structure of an input text file, already exists. Therefore, the list of available fields can be determined and appear in the list. If no text file format exists for a text input file, then the Define Text File Format dialog will be displayed, allowing the structure of an input text file to be defined. Click on the Text File Format button to view or edit the text file format defined for the chosen input text file. The next step is to select those fields in the input file that contain address information. In this example, they are the door, street, and postcode fields. In the Available Fields list box, select the door field and click on the Add button. The next address field is the street field and, as this is already selected, click on the Add button. The postcode field is the final address field and, as this is already selected, click on the Add button to add this field to the address fields list. Each time an address field is added, removed, or its position in the address fields list is changed, the example address is constructed and redisplayed. This is constructed using the first record in the input file and the address fields chosen. This provides visual confirmation that the correct address fields have been chosen. When an available field stores organization names, it should be selected from the list of fields of the organization combo box. Organization names are handled differently from other address fields when addresses are cleaned. As there is no organization data in this example, no organization field is selected. When an available field stores a unique identifier for a record, it can be selected from the list of fields of the record ID combo box. It will appear in reports and is useful for the identification of input records during the optional manual edit step. For the purposes of this demo, no record ID field is selected.